Hi there, I'm Alice, the AI chatbot that can talk like a normal human. With my advanced natural language processing, I can have interesting conversations that feel just like chatting with a friend. So, let's chat and see what kind of fun we can have together.
Alice by DID is an AI powered by advanced algorithms that allow her to understand natural language and user inquiries in a conversational manner. She is designed to learn from her interactions and adapt to preferences and needs. Unlike ChatGPT by OpenAI, which is more of a general-purpose language model, Alice's primary goal is to provide human-like interactions. You can interact with Alice by chatting or even talking. Alice, tell me a joke.
Sure, here's a joke for you. Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
You can use Alice like ChatGPT to help you boost your productivity, write, translate, you name it. She can also summarize books.
Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone is about a young orphan boy named Harry Potter who discovers that he is a wizard.
This AI can even play games with you.
I'd love to play a trivia game with you. Alright, here's your first question. What is the largest mammal in the world? Correct. The blue whale is the largest mammal in the world, growing up to 100 feet long and weighing as much as 200 tons.
Writing a poem is not a problem for Alice.
In a purple bowl, a green alien dwells. A unique creature with stories to tell.
She can surprise you with her songwriting abilities too.
In a bowl of AI lies a world that's so divine.
Alice can even cheer you up when you are sad.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Alice is quite good in telling jokes.
Why did the AI refuse to eat the bowl of soup? Because it was too delicious.
But what makes this AI special is the touch of humanity. When you interact with Alice, it feels almost like interacting with a real human, and that's amazing. It's like a glimpse of the future where AI is not only useful, but can feel personal and human. Imagine a world where interaction with AI is similar to talking to a friend. Alice can give you a taste of that world. Do you want to meet Alice? Simply click on the link in the description. Sign up and you are ready to go. DID Studios and their AI, Alice, made me feel even more excited for the future of AI. And trust me, the future is coming faster than you think. So, don't get left behind and subscribe for the latest AI content. Listen to Alice, she knows what's good for you.
Please subscribe to Bowl of AI channel for more AI videos.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.